Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be unboxing my Boxycharm for the month of June, and this month's theme is like a Caribbean type theme. I'm not going to show you guys what's in the box. The theme is Caribbean Queen, and I already peeked a little bit in this box because I'm not going to lie to you guys, I'm not patient, so I always end up looking in the box. And I'm also going to be trying on like some of the stuff that I have in this box throughout talking about it. So I'm just going to grab the first thing that I see in here, and the first thing is the Sol de Janeiro. It's not wonderful. Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, and it's like a mini of that one. It smells really, really good. It smells really good. It just smells like vanilla and like the Caribbean. They were right to put this in here. It smells so good, and I heard it has a shimmer to it, but I don't notice one. You guys tell me if you notice one. Here's the hand with the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream on it, and here's the hand without. I don't think I see any shimmer or anything. It does give like a sheen, which every lotion gives a sheen though. And like makes your skin look like hydrated and stuff. But, that smells amazing. Now I know what the hype's about because that does smell really good. And the next thing that's in here is a Luxie brush set. And it has 3 brushes in it. And the set doesn't have a name on it or anything. It just says Luxie in the back, and it has these 3 brushes. And, let me see. That first one retails for $10 for that mini size, but I don't even know if they sell that size, to be honest. And this Luxie set retails for $42. And I will show you guys which brushes are in here. It just comes in this little pouch, and I'm going to take the brushes out. I really like Luxie brushes. I like the look of them and everything. Like, they're my favorite. They're one of my favorite brands. But the first brush that's in here is the tapered highlighter brush, the number 522, and it's just like a tapered highlight brush, like the name says. And then there's a precision foundation brush, which is like a little bit fluffy, but it's like still one of those flat type brushes. I would use this for concealer, to be honest, or like pinpoint foundation if I want to like just put foundation in some spots. And then there's the dual fiber powder, which is the 516, and that foundation is the 616. And this is just a dual fiber stippling type brush, and it has like the flowy bristles, which I would probably use this for blush, bronzer, maybe even highlight. Oh, and that's just like the 3-piece flawless complexion set, is what it says. And then we have the Ajanta Blue eyeliner, which I've gotten before in here. I've gotten a black one in here before, and I think I gave it to my mom, but I have a dark brown one, which I've been wanting a dark brown eyeliner anyways, so I'm definitely okay with getting that. And that's it. Maybe need to make it a little bit thicker so that you can actually see it. But there's the line, and I don't know if this is waterproof or anything. It doesn't really give information about that. But I didn't try the black one, so hopefully I'll like this one. That retails for $5. Oh, it is waterproof and it's vegan, which I didn't know that either. And it said it works good in the waterline or like on the lash line. And then we have something from this brand. It's called Baddington Lashes, and it's the Monroe 3D Silk Lashes. So these are silk lashes, and these are so pretty. I'm gonna be honest, the packaging alone is so pretty, so I would buy these if I saw them in the store for the packaging alone, to be honest. I will definitely have to wear these soon in a video and show you guys because these are really pretty. those retail for $28, which that's a lot, but it also, they're silk lashes, and you can use them up to 25 times if you take care of them. Not too bad. I mean, it's still expensive, but it's good that you can use them 25 times. And the next thing is a Ofra liquid lipstick, and this is in the color Verona, which is like a nude color. And I'll put this on for you guys right now, but I'll show you a swatch first, which that is a swatch of the lipstick. It hasn't dried down yet though, so. And now let me zoom in and show you guys. Yeah, that's a really pretty color, and I would definitely recommend. I already liked Ofra liquid lipsticks, but I really like that color. And again, this is Verona, and I already know, I think those retail for $18, I'm pretty sure. $21, I guess. But I have like 3 or 4 of these, and I always get these in Boxycharms, but I would purchase them myself because I really like them. And the last thing that's in here, but definitely not least, because this is probably my favorite thing that came in here. This is by Alamar Cosmetics. I don't know who Alamar Cosmetics is by. Let me see. It's made in Miami, and it's inspired by Cuba and Alamar. I think Alamar's a place in Cuba. It's cruelty-free. And it's made in the USA. It's made in Miami. But here is the front. It's simple, but I like the yellow color, and let me cover my face up so you can actually see. And then I love the detail of the inside, like how this has the prints and everything. And here are the eyeshadows. This is just summer in a palette. I'm gonna tell you, this is summer in a palette. And this is really pretty. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to swatch these, and I'll show you guys that. Overall, that is a gorgeous palette, to be honest. And I did swatch this slightly when I got it in the mail, but I already know I'm going to be using this. I'm going to do a look with this definitely soon. And that was the last thing with my Boxycharm, and that retails for $28. And I'm pretty sure this is a new brand. I thought I heard about this in Kathleen Light's video, but I do really like the eyeshadows, and the packaging is gorgeous. But that's it for my Boxycharm, and if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to see more videos from me, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!